Welcome back. The centre is slated to spend 10,000 crore rupees to vaccinate 30 crore Indians in the first phase of immunization. According to sources, the entire phase of the large inoculation exercise is going to be funded by the central government. The phase 1 priority groups have now been identified by the National Expert Group on Vaccines as 1 crore healthcare workers, along with 2 crore frontline workers and essential workers, 27 crore elderly. Those mostly above the age of 50 years are listed in that list. States like Bihar, Kerala, Delhi have stated that vaccines are going to be given out free of cost. More states are likely to make this particular announcement. Sources reveal the government's is unwilling to take loans from international banks for funding the vaccination drive. Currently, 3 vaccines have been applied for approval, which include Bharat Biotech's Covaxin, Serum Institute of India's Covishield, and the one from Pfizer. Pfizer vaccine has already been approved in the US and the UK. Milan is now joining us live for the very latest on this. Milan, walk our viewers through the entire rollout strategy coming in from the centre. Who gets vaccinated first, and then what is the rollout looking like? The kind of financial outlay that has been earmarked as well, and how much more than 10,000 crores is the government even going to need at the moment?
Well, the estimated amount for the phase 1 plan of vaccination has been set at 10,000 crore rupees, and that would be for inoculating about 30 crore people. And the vaccine rollout plan has already been put in place with about 1 crore healthcare workers that will be getting the vaccine in the first phase, with essential workers, which are about 2 crores, and about 27 crore more people who will be identified as a priority group of people above the age of 50 who are elderly. Definitely this outlay has been set aside by the Indian government. Sources have told us from the finance ministry that the government at this point is unwilling to take any external support or loans to say from any multilateral organization and international funding organizations. And definitely the entire amount would be way higher, but we're looking at least 600 million doses, which is going to be required for about 30 crore people, which is 2 doses per person. It's going to be a mammoth exercise, Chaiti, for which about 3,500 vaccinators are being trained in Delhi, and over a lakh or 2 lakh are being trained across the country as well. So it's not just the vaccination per se per dose, but also the distribution and the stocking that the government will be undertaking very soon. And all this is going to happen in just a matter of days. We've been hearing from the health ministry that in a matter of days, those vaccines that have applied for an emergency use authorization will be approved, and hoping that the first week of January is when we'll see the vaccine drive begin in the country.
Milan getting us those details right there. Thank you very much for joining us with the latest details. We'll keep coming back to you. The initial results of Oxford's COVID-19 vaccine trial has shown better immune response. Early data has shown that when a candidate receives 2 full-dose regime, it provokes good immune response rather than a full dose followed by a half-dose booster. The university has said in a statement that the booster doses of the vaccine induce stronger antibody responses than a single dose. The vaccine stimulates broad antibody and T-cell functions. The findings are based on phase 1 and 2 clinical trials. Oxford AstraZeneca vaccine is currently in phase 3 trials. Oxford Vaccine's partner, Serum Institute of India, has completed phase 3 trials with over 1,600 volunteers, is expected to submit the final set of data in coming days. According to Serum Institute of India CEO, the Oxford vaccine may be available in India by Feb next year.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.